So I think lehenga is a very, very important thing. And when we talk about investment, yeah, financial investment is there, but there is a lot of emotional investment also in it.
Obviously.
बट मुझे ये बता कि कितनी जल्दी इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है. जैसे कल शादी की फोटोज आई हैं,
Yeah.
अगले दिन क्या ब्राइडल बोलने लग जाती यही वाला
यही
चाहिए, ये
वाला.
वाला चाहिए.
Absolutely. They come like that only. So I tell you, Kiara Advani, she precisely wore a ombre lehenga, which is like darker to lighter, right? She wore that lehenga, and I think my collection for this season and last season also, girls are coming to me and asking for ombre only.
तो कौन से वाली हीरोइन है जिसका डिमांड लहंगा बहुत डिमांड में आया?
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा किसका डिमांड?
Crazy हो गया.
So I am talking about, like, I think it's been 5-7 years that Anushka is married.
2017 में हुई थी शायद उनकी.
So it was a turning point for the lehenga industry.
Wow. तो does that happen often with you कि मुझे तो इसी डिजाइनर का कॉपी चाहिए? Like चांदनी चौक is known for like it. So आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
So in my store, few of my lehengas name are like that only. Janvi Kapoor, Kiara Advani. But it is easy to recognize na, and it's little catchy also. The girl is like, what is coming? What is coming?
That's लगी. Like अगर आपको choose करना होता अपना वेडिंग लहंगा as closest to any of the celebrity, which one would you choose?
Yeah, see.
Hi everyone, this is Mona from the podcast What the Gap.
Hi guys, I'm Shikha. So today let's talk about an interesting topic. Today we have a topic that speaks about Indian weddings lehenga, which is the 5 lakh lehenga debate. Investment, emotion or just social pressure.
So today we have a guest who can truly reflect that a woman can do it all, and that too with style and grace. In the mornings, she is the homemaker, you know. She is taking care of the family. She is, बच्चों ने homework किया है कि नहीं किया? She is like the CEO of the household.
Wow.
But the moment she steps into our store, she transforms into a powerhouse. हर लड़की जो उसके स्टोर में आती है ब्राइडल लहंगा लेने के लिए, she has a dream, she has a vision.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can understand that, Chika, right? And she listens to them, she understands, she connects, and she makes sure that जो लड़की उसके स्टोर से निकले,
Yeah.
she feels like a Bollywood heroine.
Oh, dream of every, every bride.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And she is our vivacious, the strong woman behind the store Sabya Kuchu, which is a go-to destination for bridal lehengas in Chandni Chowk. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to have you on the
Hi, Shikha. Hi, Mona. How are you doing?
Yeah.
We are good, we are good.
And Shikha, ये तेरे जैसे ना Bollywood buff है पूरी.
Oh.
Bollywood.
I'm sure that helps you in your sales, right?
Helps. I think it is the heart. Yes.
Okay, amazing, amazing. ठीक है, let's understand with you. Like, I think I'll tell my best memory of Chandni Chowk. मेरे जितने भी cousins मुझसे पहले, जिनकी भी शादी हुई है, like that is like a one-stop shop. Like that destination is like the destination for weddings. I have friends all across India. They specifically come to Delhi just for Chandni Chowk. And although वो खरीदे ना खरीदे, but collection सारा देख के जाएंगे वहाँ से, because they know कि अगर किसी भी ब्राइड को शादी करनी है तो वहाँ उससे बेटर आपको सामान नहीं मिल सकता, इधर इन योर लाइक इंडियन वेयर, एथनिक वेयर, और आपकी इवन दोस वेडिंग की छोटी छोटी चीजें हो. लाइक आई थिंक देयर इज दिस मार्केट कॉल्ड
Kinari Bazaar.
Kinari Bazaar, exactly. Like you would be knowing, right? So I mean, what all things do you get? I mean, it's amazing. But मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, okay, first question I think from you is that how do you think लहंगा जब एक आता है, okay, for a bride? So when a bride chooses a lehenga, आजकल इतनी modern brides हैं, like they are earning, they are very independent. How have you seen the change from brides being you know, पहले अगर 10 साल पहले bride का choosing behavior of a लहंगा versus a modern bride now who earns and who is financially independent, क्या आपको लगता है difference आया है between these two kind of brides?
अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन. आई शुड मेंशन यू. तुमने तो ना मुझे कुछ अपने टाइम की याद दिला दी. व्हेन आई वाज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट. सो इट वाज लाइक you are going with the whole family. So if you are buying a lehenga, there used to be only one client and whole store is filled with people. Right? So decision has to be taken by all. मतलब मम्मा को भी पसंद आना चाहिए, डैडी जी को भी पसंद आना चाहिए, पति जी को भी पसंद आना चाहिए, चाचा जी को भी पसंद आना चाहिए. It used to be a little difficult. बट या बेचारी लड़की का तो कुछ टाइम नहीं आ पाता था, तो वो तो ओके फाइन, टेक दैट. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टुडे, गर्ल्स, मंडे को कोई काम नहीं करती हूँ मैं, ट्यूसडे को भी कोई काम नहीं करती हूँ मैं. व्हेन आई गो टू माय स्टोर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. वेंसडे आई डू समटाइम्स, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे आई डोंट हैव टाइम. यू वांट टू आस्क व्हाई?
Yeah, for sure.
From Friday evening to Saturday and Sunday. Sunday we specially open for the deliveries. Girls are working, so they don't get time to buy their most important thing, bridal lehenga, yaar. Can you imagine? If you come to Chandni Chowk on Saturdays, you won't get, if you want to go somewhere, you stand in the crowd, you'll reach there automatically. By push and pull and hustle and bustle.
But we have to just make sure वो आपके store तक पहुंच जाए.
Do that, guys. Always welcome.
That is because they are working and they do not have time on the weekends. Weekdays, I mean.
Yes, absolutely. So Saturdays are jam-packed. Sundays are supposed to be off for Chandni Chowk. But we keep it open for the convenience of the girls, brides and would-be brides, so that they can come in the car and they can pick their lehengas. We usually do deliveries on Sunday for that reason. And Saturday is a very crowded day. If they take their lehenga, the place is already crowded and they are not able to hold it properly. It's not that easy. And I understood this through an experience because somebody came and told me this. So I thought of keeping it open on Sundays also. When our guys are there, they do the deliveries. That is how we do.
That is wonderful,
that's
actually.
amazing.
And that makes sense. Lot of
Yeah.
sense, right? Okay. तो आजकल एक बार बताओ यार प्रियंका कि लहंगा जो है, मतलब is it they're so expensive, like we know that of course the cost of living has also gone up and cost of embroidery and everything has gone up. तो क्या वो one time investment के लिए लोग लेते हैं कि because how many times are you going to wear it?
See, lehenga is like one of the most important thing when it comes to the wedding.
Correct.
Because it is for the person, the bride, right?
And the D-Day.
And the D-Day, where she gonna meet the people whom she meets regularly, whom she gonna meet only for the wedding, first and last time maybe. But everyone जो भगवान जी ने लिखे हैं कि भाई इनसे तुम्हें मिलना है, सब आते हैं. जानने वाले भी आते हैं, ना जानने वाले भी आते हैं. अब ऑब्वियसली ग्रूम साइड के लोगों को वो क्या ही जानती होगी, और कितने सारे होंगे जो सिर्फ शादी पे ही मिल रहे हैं. बट देन ऑल्सो, सो आई थिंक लहंगा इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट, या फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज़ देयर, but there is a lot of emotional investment also in it. Because I see girls coming 10 times to the same store just to see the lehenga. मतलब by the time when I do the billing part for them ना, मैंने कहा यार बेटा तू आई तो कम से कम 3 से 4 बार थी. कहती है हाँ दीदी आपको याद है. मैंने कहा प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे सब कुछ याद रहता है. But they do so much of R&D that investment of emotion is so visible. Now let's talk about finance. So there's a simple saying, जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना मीठा मिलेगा. I tell you a small example. Sometimes girls come to us and they get a picture with them on their phone from Instagram or Pinterest or whatever, and they show us lehenga worth 10 lakh rupees, right? And then they ask for it. Do you have this kind of lehenga? We mention them. Yeah, we have. Then they say ki okay, fine. They enter and we entertain them and everything. Then comes the price, right? Then she asked, what is the price for it? Even if we mention it is for 1 lakh rupees, na 1 lakh rupees. We say, भाई आप नीचे देखो तो उसमें 10 लाख लिखा है. You need to understand, na? So it is a financial investment also. So if someone is buying a lehenga, they should have an idea कि embroideries, everything, they become finer, it become costlier. That is how the things are. क्योंकि लोग थोड़ा सा ना चांदनी चौक को अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं. बट चांदनी चौक इज़ द प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर द वर्ल्ड लहंगाज गोज. आपने मुझे अपनी बातों में बोला था कि दिल्ली की लड़कियाँ, नॉट ओनली दिल्ली की लड़कियाँ, एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, इफ समवन वांट्स टू बाय अ ब्राइडल लहंगा, it is the Chandni Chowk.
Yeah. Right.
So what have you seen, मतलब लड़कियाँ आती हैं रोती हैं कि हाय मुझे यही वाला लेना है बट ये मेरे आउट ऑफ बजट है, ऐसे होता है? आंसू इमोशनल होते हैं?
इमोशनल की तो ये बात है कि समटाइम्स अगर आप अपने इन लॉज के साथ होते हो ना, गर्ल्स कन्विंस नहीं कर पाती, उन्हें कोई और अच्छा लग रहा होता है और लड़की को कुछ और पसंद आ रहा होता है. तो I don't know, somehow I have 2 girls, so I understand the feeling for the girls. So I try to push her in-laws to the side where the girl have a liking. But then it is all her luck if I'm able to do that.
It's a very complex dilemma though. मतलब एक लड़की का सबसे important outfit and it has to become like the consideration for in-laws also क्योंकि उनकी involvement हो जाती है. And I mean
Right.
it's really, अब ऐसे उसमें हम क्या अपना इमोशन को आगे रखें, क्या हम अपने इन-लॉज के इमोशंस को आगे रखें? इट्स बिकम्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स सिचुएशन.
There's one thing which I have experienced. I tell you something. So when I got married, it's a very, very nice experience I would really like to share, and I want girls should know about it. So when I bought my bridal lehenga, I was all alone with my bhabis and mother-in-law. They all are very nice people. So when we had to take the decision, I was like, I had that jittery thing and all that stuff. So one of my bhabhi said, ki Priyanka, this lehenga is nice. I said, okay, it is fine, it is nice. Though I didn't like it much. It was my bridal lehenga for the D-Day.
Yeah.
But trust me, that yes to that lehenga have made me, I should not say, but the queen of the house. Because I did not say no to that lehenga at that time because it was their choice. Now they take consent even for the small things which happen in my house.
So
It
you
gave
were
you a big respect out of.
she was able to win lot
Win
of
a lot
hearts,
of hearts and all.
rather than the place.
Yeah.
See, now that girls have to decide they want to look good for one day or they have to look good throughout their life. It is something, and it is totally your decision. This is what I felt, so I shared it.
Yeah, that's so amazing. I mean, obviously आपके अपने पेरेंट्स से ही कितनी बार मैच नहीं करते व्यू, तो इन-लॉज के साथ मैच होना ना होना इज वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग. बट समटाइम्स आई हैव सीन इवन इन-लॉज, if they know that the girl likes something, they kind of push it towards that कि अच्छा चलो पहनना तो इसको ही है. So that happens.
आजकल जेंजी सुनते हैं क्या इन-लॉज की?
ये तो पर्सनल अटैक हो.
जेनजी के जो इन-लॉज है ना, वो भी काफी स्वीट हो गए. उनको भी कोई हेडेक नहीं चाहिए.
बट आई एग्री कि थोड़ा सा इमोशनल तो आपको जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो चाहिए ही होती है. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि हर एक लड़की ख्वाब लेके आती है, राइट? तो थोड़ी अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो आपको होती ही होगी कि यू नो व्हाट शी वुड प्रेफर दिस कलर और दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टाइल. और
just to add on to that question, I mean आपके दिमाग में कैटेगरी हो गई होगी टाइप A, टाइप B, टाइप C, है ना? क्योंकि now you have seen so many customers over these years. आपको शायद वन से वॉक इन ओनली ना आपको आधा अंदाजा हो जाता होगा कि एनी गर्ल कि ये तो ऐसे ही कलर चूज करेगी मोस्टली.
कलर्स पैटर्न्स फाइन, हमें तो अब थोड़ा सा ये भी पता चलता है कि ये खरीदने आई है या देखने आई है.
ऑफ कोर्स वो तो देखो हर वो तो कस्टमर्स तुम्हें ऐसे इंटरेक्शन तो रिटेल में तो होता ही होता है. पर आजकल जैसे मैं तो अभी बनारस से लौटी हूँ तो मैं तो बनारसी देख देख के हाय मेरे तो फिसल गई लहंगे में. जैसे वो गाना है माधुरी वाला, भाई लगता है मेरे को लग रहा है वही आ गया. बट फैक्चुअली मुझे बताओ कि लोग ट्रेडिशनल में जा रहे हैं कि फ्यूजन में जा रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा एम्ब्रॉयडरी कि कम एम्ब्रॉयडरी, क्या चल रहा है? व्हाट इज़ द लेटेस्ट?
Mona ji, this is absolutely personal choices. So I have seen people who are fixed that they want to buy Zardozi lehengas only at any cost. Though they are very expensive, that is one of the most finest kadhai embroideries. Zardozi is the best. But they come with a budget of like 50,000, 60,000. How is that possible? तो फिर वो उन्हें काम कम करवाना पड़ता है. देन द स्टोरी मूव्स टू मिनिमलिस्टिक. सो यू हैड इट्स अ स्टोरी. अब किसी को बहुत भरा हुआ लहंगा चाहिए, भरा हुआ तो चाहिए मगर खर्चने हमें सिर्फ 50,000 है सपोज, देन इट विल बी मशीनी कढ़ाई ऑब्वियसली. सो दैट डिपेंड्स व्हाट कैटेगरी यू आर मूविंग इन. भरा है ज़्यादा है. अब जैसे most of the girls they say they don't have space to keep things, right? So they are looking for visibility of colors. They don't want too much of embroideries, so we customize things according to that. And some people want that it should be absolutely heavily embroidered hand. We are ready to spend any amount. We want 2 dupattas and veil.
There is so many trends going on, like so just in between so much chaos, right? आप तो अपने स्टोर पे देखते होगे. What is ultimately आपको क्या लगता है अब जब एक फैमिली वॉक इन करती है टू बाय अ लहंगा, राइट? Who ultimately makes the decision कि यार यही लेना है? मतलब आपको लगता है द मम्मीज, द डैडीज, एवरीबडी जो आते हैं, द ग्रूम, आपको जनरली क्या पैटर्न दिखा है दैट दिस पर्सन ओनली चूजेस फाइनली? या ब्राइड ही होती है हमेशा या कौन?
वो ब्राइड ही होती है, ब्राइड ही होती है. बिकॉज नाउ दे आर सच गुड डिसीजन मेकर्स. और मुझे पता है क्या लगता है कि अगर आप अपनी लाइफ का ये डिसीजन ले लेते हो ना, अब ये बड़ा है या छोटा दैट डिपेंड्स, ठीक है, मगर इस तरीके के डिसीजन लेना शुरू कर देते हो ना, इट हेल्प्स यू टू मेक योर लाइफ लिटिल ईजियर फर्दर ऑल्सो. आप डिसीजन लेना आ जाता है आपको, क्योंकि आपको अच्छे बुरे का पता चलता है. That sort of thing. So you become a very good decision maker.
राइट. अच्छा एक बात बताओ यार, मुझे ये आई एम वेरी इंक्विजिटिव नोनोज कि कियारा आडवाणी की शादी हुई.
Wow. Pink lehenga.
या
Virat Anushka I think started.
Pastel is the word.
Then pastel, then Sabyasachi ka Deepika
The
Padukone, red, like you know.
When you think of lehenga, it is Sabyasachi.
रेड
Yeah.
एंड द रेड ऑफ
And the red obviously.
बट मुझे ये बता कि कितनी जल्दी इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है. जैसे कल शादी की फोटोज आई हैं,
Yeah.
अगले दिन क्या ब्राइडल बोलने लग जाती यही वाला चाहिए, ये वाला चाहिए.
Absolutely. They come like that only. So I tell you, Kiara Advani, she precisely wore a ombre lehenga, which is like darker to lighter, right? She wore that lehenga, and I think my collection for this season and last season also, girls are coming to me and asking for ombre only. Yes.
So how quickly do you turn around? क्या भाई फोटो अब आ गया ये तो कितनी टाइम, because you have some, you take time to manufacture it, procure the stuff like you know,
Style
the same-
समझना,
Yeah.
fabric and all. कितनी जल्दी आप turn around करते
So for that, the solution is customization. We do that. We absolutely do that. There are people who love ombre, and there are people who have very strong dislike towards ombre. So if they are looking for a single color lehenga, we do that also. We provide that kind of customization. But yeah, Bollywood have a great influence for taking the decision regarding lehenga.
हाँ.
और अंबानी की शादी के बाद क्या हुआ था?
फूलों का जाल हुआ था.
Actually, I
Yeah,
loved
she
it. हाँ.
wore a beautiful
I
one.
loved the फूलों की चादर का concept. I mean, now every bride is wearing that. In haldi तो for sure. Like everybody is wearing.
They are, you know, unknowingly, Mrs. Ambani doesn't know that she's a big influencer. लोग तो you know they mention themselves as influencer but she is a big influencer. वो आपको इतना इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. You look at their dressing sense. They never wear trendy things. They are classy people. बिल्कुल वही जो आज से 10 साल पहले भी पहनते थे. Silk sarees with rubies and diamonds and neelams.
रूबी का साइज थोड़ा छोटा नहीं होता.
हमारे केस में थोड़ा छोटा होता है, उनका इतना हो जाता है.
काफी विजिबल रूबीज होते हैं उनके.
Wow.
But I think they are just classy people. But yeah, if we talk about trends, Bollywood is one thing which really influence.
Yeah. Any other factor you see कि ये बहुत मतलब nowadays I'll tell you why I'm asking this question is because the trends are changing daily. अब आप देखते हो एक तरफ है मैक्सिमलिस्ट वेडिंग्स where you see the biggest of lehengas, biggest of venues. So कहते हैं ना कि लहंगे भी वो वेन्यू के हिसाब से देख के बनते हैं. Like you know like look at the venue and उसके हिसाब से लहंगा. And one end I see minimalistic weddings कि भाई court marriage हो रही है या basic like you're wearing a sari, just signing your documents and you're married. Between that kind of contrast, have you met any minimalist bride who has just come to you just for a sari or a very simple thing, yet you know looking like a bridal sari?
Yeah, I'll just share an experience with you. Yesterday only, one naval officer, she came to me. Even her husband is also into Indian Navy. वो आई, उसने मुझे बोला कि मुझे ना एक रेड कलर का लहंगा ही लेना है. मैंने कहा ओके गुड नाइस. कहती है बहुत कम काम का चाहिए तो आप मुझे नॉन ब्राइडल में दिखा दीजिए. आई वाज लाइक ओके. आई स्टार्टेड शोइंग हर थिंग्स बट देन शी सेड कि ये थोड़ा कुछ हल्का लग रहा है. मैंने कहा तो आप आ जाओ हमारे ब्राइडल सेक्शन में आ जाओ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी द काइंड ऑफ लहंगा शी वॉज चूजिंग, इट वॉज जस्ट मोटिव्स एंड बॉर्डर and rest the upper part was visibility of red with a beautiful blouse and a beautiful choti choti booties ka dupatta. And trust me, she was looking like the bride. So it doesn't matter.
रंगत खूबसूरती ब्राइड में होती ही है. मतलब you mean
I tell you Mona ji about this. लड़कियाँ sometimes they come and say कि हमें इस तरीके का लहंगा चाहिए. I always mention them, बेटे तू ले ले, मगर मैं चाहती हूँ, मैं क्या सभी ये चाहते कि तू सुंदर लगे. लहंगा सुंदर लग रहा है एक बात है, मगर तू लहंगे में बहुत सुंदर लगे. That is what my intention is. I don't want that lehenga should overshadow you. It should be you because it is your day.
एंड आई थिंक ब्राइड जैसी होती है ना उसकी पर्सनैलिटी उसकी चॉइस से भी बहुत रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. जनरली लाइक पीपल हु आर like you know outspoken would generally go for colors like yellow or like pink more and orange and reds. The people who are like kind of थोड़े introvert they generally go for pastels and all. काफी personality भी उनसे मैच हो जाती है कभी कभी.
ये वाला पार्ट आई एम लाइक ओके विद इट बट बॉलीवुड बड़ा मैटर कर रहा है आजकल.
तो कौन से वाली हीरोइन है जिसका डिमांड लहंगा बहुत डिमांड में आया?
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा किसका डिमांड?
क्रेजी हो गया.
So I am talking about like I think it's been 5-7 years that Anushka is married.
2017 में हुई थी शायद उनकी.
So it was a turning point for the lehenga industry.
Wow. Even she didn't know that.
I tell you why. Earlier, they used to ask for colors like red, maroon, orange, right? But then, when Anushka got married, the flush of pastel colors, baby pink, green, pistachio green, were the colors for the bridal lehenga. And trust me, there was a time I had only 5 or 7 lehengas in red color and rest all bridals were in pastels.
बट मुझे लगता है पेस्टल्स ना सनडाउनर में वेडिंग में ज्यादा सुंदर लगते होंगे नहीं?
लगते तो वही हैं।
वही है, बट आजकल मतलब फोटोज ही, तब लोग फोटो की टाइमिंग देख के शादी डिसाइड करते हैं कि यार सनसेट होना चाहिए. बीच वेडिंग्स जनरली.
यू जेन ज़ी, आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज आर टू मच. हम तो मुहूर्तों में ही अटके रह गए और तुम सन डाउनर के पीछे जा रहे हो. गुड वन, गुड वन.
Yeah, but आपको पर्सनली, यू आर इन द इंडस्ट्री, यू सी लहंगास डेली, आपको किसकी वेडिंग एस्थेटिक सबसे बेस्ट लगी? लाइक अगर आपको री चूज करना होता अपना वेडिंग लहंगा एज क्लोजेस्ट टू एनी ऑफ द सेलिब्रिटी, व्हिच वन वुड यू चूज?
Yeah, see, my store name is Sabya, and I'm a big fan of Sabyasachi. When it comes to lehenga, the name comes in your mind is Sabyasachi.
So Deepika
She was good, yeah. What personality she have. But I love Priyanka Chopra. Red on red. I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. We call it color on color. Like that lehenga, I mean, she was looking so beautiful. That is what I say. Lehenga was fine, but the way she carried it, and it was just apt for her.
the trail with it and all, amazing.
She was enhanced. Not only the lehenga, she was enhanced. वरना कलर पे कलर, सेम कलर की एम्ब्रॉयडरी दिखती कहाँ है? मगर उसका तो
But the diamonds were showing.
no comments.
नहीं, बट आपको लगता है कि जब लड़की लहंगा चूज करती है तो वो सच में सुंदर लहंगा दिखती है या अपने पे सूट करते हुए दिखती है कि
It's a category. It's a category. So there are people who just go for beautiful lehenga. We try to tell them, but then it is their personal choice because we cannot intervene in that. Agree?
Yeah. And what are the kind of embroideries? मैं जैसे layman like me who has no knowledge about it, तो क्या trending मतलब क्या होता है जो सच में
For that, I think we need to have 5 or 10 podcasts. But जो बहुत basic होते हैं, it is like hand embroideries, which is considered to be the most what do you call it? The most amazing thing. That is Zardozi, Poth, Kardana, lot of things. And then there are machini embroideries also, which are good. I'm not saying anything, but they take lesser time to be done, so they are not that expensive.
so the value increases by the time it takes to create them.
The amount of time, investment of time, and investment of labor, right? Yes, it's the same thing, a pashmina and a normal shawl.
Yeah.
Of course.
हाँ.
That is true.
So मेरा एक बहुत बॉलीवुड क्वेश्चन है, मुझे वो मूवी याद आ गई हिंदी मीडियम, जिसकी स्टार्टिंग ही ऐसे होती है लहंगे से ना, वो इरफान खान या वो उसको हर लहंगा, और वो ब्राइड आके बोलती है मुझे मनीष मल्होत्रा का ही लहंगा लेना है. तो डज दैट हैपन ऑफन विद यू कि मुझे तो इसी डिजाइनर का कॉपी चाहिए? लाइक चांदनी चौक इज नोन फॉर लाइक इट. सो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
कॉपी नहीं बोलते, रेप्लिकास बोलते हैं.
रेप्लिका.
Better word. So in my store, few of my lehengas name are like that only. Janvi Kapoor, Kiara Advani. But it is easy to recognize, and it's little catchy also. The girl is like, what is coming? That's all.
Oh my god. तो डिजाइनर के नाम से भी है एंड एक्ट्रेसेस के नाम पे भी लहंगे हैं.
ये पेटेंट वाला सीन तो नहीं है ना यहाँ?
Hey, I'm sure because I have seen, I mean, some of my friends, they said, oh, we'll come to Delhi for shopping and we'll go to Chandni Chowk, and वहाँ पे तो सबका रेप्लिका मिल जाता है ना. मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, बट हाँ मिलता है, I'm sure. तो and I was like, yeah, I mean, how do you recognize कि फोटो से आप नाम ही रख देते हो, या यू नो जब कैटलॉग निकल के आती है तो उनमें हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई? बट
See, once you are into that trade, when you are day and night with those things, you obviously get knowledge about it. Right? Ab I say your communication skills are mind blowing. How you have worked on it? I need to learn that.
या एग्जैक्टली. आप आइए हर फ्राइडे हम बोलते हैं. सो या दैट्स नाइस.
नहीं, बट प्रियंका एक बात बताओ कि जैसे वर्ल्ड इज बिकमिंग सो मच फास्टर, राइट? कहीं से कोई फोटो आ गई तो आप बना देते हो?
या एब्सोल्युटली. काम तो सारे इन्हीं हाथों से हो रहे हैं ना.
bespoke बोलते हैं जिसे कि आप क्रिएट कर देते हो उनकी जो फोटो लाते हैं.
Yes, absolutely. Very much near to that. And then again, it is an involvement of money. The amount you spend, the finer will be the thing. Right?
Yeah. But also one more question मेरे दिमाग में आया कि how do you जैसे when you tell us one of your craziest client experience, आप कोई ऐसी ब्राइड आई हो जिसको आज तक भी आपने भूली हो, उसका एक्सपीरियंस, उसकी शायद आस्क वियर्ड हो सकती है, उसका मे बी इंटरेक्शन विद यू लेफ्ट अ मार्क ऑन यू, यार वाओ मैन, लोग ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं, like some experience that you would like to share with us and the audience.
You're talking about the good one?
Any, I've left it on, it's an open.
Or a very good one?
Very good. We would want to know both because we want to see कि लोगों का thinking कैसे होता है when brides come to you.
See, I tell you something. It is a very emotional thing and I respect.
Yeah.
I respect. Sometimes the experience is like that after receiving the lehenga, girl feels so good and so happy कि वो अपना शादी का कार्ड देके जाती है कि आपको दीदी आना है, भाभी आना है. Sometimes things are like that. Sometimes what they have thought in their mind, they are not able to deliver it to us, and what we have understood may be little misunderstood. So they come with this is not what I was thinking. So, I really would like to mention what you are thinking. You should be able to explain that thing. There are girls who say, I have seen this lehenga in this color, but I want this to be done in this color. Okay. And they have absolutely clean picture of that. They see the color in the color chart. Yes. Nowadays girls are doing that also.
Yes, they can make like.
Yes, Gen Z, yes. तो वो बताते थे और हम समझते थे because we invest time. लोग कहते हैं ना लहंगा खरीदने में इतना टाइम क्यों लगता है, वो इसलिए लगता है. वो कहते हैं ना कि आप हमें 60 दिन पहले क्यों बोलते हो कि भाई 60 दिन लगेंगे एक लहंगा बनने में. जी, आपके जो दिमाग में है और जो हम आपको डिलीवर करेंगे वो सेम होना चाहिए, इसलिए उसके लिए हम 60 days लेते हैं.
Right. Also measurements, and I've met so many of my friends who got married. वो कुछ खाते नहीं है, एक बार वो ब्राइडल का मेजरमेंट दे देते हैं, वो अपने उससे लेके शादी तक दे आर सो कॉशियस दैट नहीं यार हमने सारी फिटिंग्स दे रखी है. आई एम श्योर आप थोड़ा बहुत मार्जिन लेके चलते होगे.
गर्ल्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू, तुम मुझे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें याद दिला रहे हो. वंस व्हाट हैपेंड, अ गर्ल केम टू माय स्टोर. शी वाज अ गुड प्लम्प वन. व्हेन शी केम टू रिसीव, she was someone else. I said, she hasn't come. Kati, it's me. I go, what are you saying? Blouse is not of your size. मतलब उस ब्लाउज में से 2 ब्लाउज निकल गए उसके. Such sort of crash dieting यार. Girls are doing it. Size 0 is the word.
अब भी होता है साइज 0?
कर रही हैं यार लड़कियां तो. वो इतनी पतली होती है ना, दीदी आप थोड़ा ना मार्जिन रखना कि वो कम ज़्यादा हो जाए. मैंने कहा तुझे मोटा होना है पतला होना है, पहले मुझे ये बता.
मार्जिन भी. एंड आई मीन लहंगे का वेट ही इतना होता है, 10-15 किलो का तो लहंगा ही पहन लेते हैं. आई मीन अगर उसमें ही वेट नहीं होगा, हाउ विल शी कैरी दैट?
वैसे एक्चुअली पता है क्या, शादी वाले दिन लड़कियां वो भारी लहंगी भी कैरी कर लेती है, पसीनों में भी रह जाती है, हीट भी नहीं लगती है, सब कुछ चलता है.
फोटोज.
Photos. Okay, fine.
So this is a memory for life, you know, whatever said and done.
Obviously. Also, one more thing that I've seen is बहुत लोग अपने mom या grandmom के जोड़े को या उसको reuse करवाना चाहते हैं, right? आपके पास ऐसी कोई request आई है and how do you cater to that?
See, I tell you, वैसे तो we give fresh lehengas, absolutely starting from a scratch. But if someone is like really emotional, we can use tidbit parts
of that.
Yes.
Heirloom piece and.
Yes, maybe a border from that for the dupatta. Maybe a booty for the blouse. like that. But if you ask us to do that lehenga as a bridal lehenga for the girl, because everyone have different fittings. So there used to be a time कि सिर्फ कली वाले लहंगे चलते थे 80 कली के, which you cannot wear now because it's only the running fabric, and now you want embroidery. How would that be done? Not possible.
वैसे कितनी कलियां होती है लहंगे में आप?
कितने पैसे खर्चने हैं आपको?
कलियां क्या होता है, मेरा तो ये क्वेश्चन है.
So these are basically the panels which are attached, and that is how the lehenga is done.
That's
So
how
the-
you get the curve.
The I don't know how
That's
to.
the
I'm
that's
confused.
the lehenga.
Oh, the
flow.
ghera.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is, there are a lot of things. Someone is nowadays girls are looking for fish cut lehengas, which looks yes, and it looks so beautiful. That doesn't have too much of ghera. Then where will ghera go? And like if I talk about like till last year, girls were looking for extra can to make their lehenga humongous, right?
But let's play the game now.
Yep.
Perfect. We have a
मेरे को क्वेश्चन मत पूछियो, बस जो पूछना है मैं प्रियंका से पूछ लेती
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
no, it'll be fun. It's like a rapid fire since you are so full of fire and you like Bollywood. तो हमने भी सोचा let's create it that side. ठीक है, okay. So rapid fire and it's full Chandni Chowk confidential collection. ठीक है, so it's called Chandni Chowk edition. Since you're the queen of it, we'll go fast on that. So it's a this or that. You have to choose, okay? And we'll make it rapid, make it full of fire, as Karan Johar says. Red or pastel?
For me, it's always red.
Okay. Designer label or local masterpiece?
Local, you should not say, but designer depends upon your pocket, yaar.
Okay. What is your choice among?
Chandni Chowk
Heavy embroidery or minimal elegance?
depends body type. I cannot judge on that. Depends कि आपका body type क्या है. If you have a heavy body, you should go for lighter embroideries. And if you have like really lean thing, you can go for whatever you want to.
Perfect. Budget bride or luxury bride? Which one would do you?
I prefer luxury bride, but usually I put that things in budget. We provide luxury things in budget.
Amazing.
That's
It's
amazing.
Yeah.
How do you like to deal with a bridezilla or a bride chilla? Who is a chill person?
Chilla.
Mother-in-law control or the bride control? Which one do you think is more?
यार वो वाली choice नहीं है मदर इन लॉ वाली. अब it is bride control only.
Gen Z है भाई.
50,000 का smart buy और 5 lakh का investment lehenga. Which one would you?
Depends on your pocket, bro.
You know what she would prefer, right? That's it.
Fair enough.
Come with 5 lakhs, I'll give you beautiful things, not thing.
Ah, good.
Good.
Which one would you prefer lehenga? Trendy, which is trendy today, or a timeless piece that you can wear it?
You are asking me for myself. Classy? All, yes.
Perfect. You were nice. You were fast. You were rapid. I think you get the hamper since there is no competition.
She's Neeta Ambani.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
You want to play the second game?
What is the second game? There's more?
Yeah, there is one more game. So basically, this one you can. So this game is the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay. Simple statements.
Okay.
Let's go.
So, what is the most overrated bridal trend, you would say?
Very heavy lehengas, which they are not able to carry. There's a lot of discomfort.
Right. That's true. Comfort should be taken care of, actually.
Not that much.
Most underrated bridal style.
Minimalistic. Yeah. People say इसमें तो काम ही नहीं है, हल्का है लहंगा. It is not like that. हल्का भारी कुछ नहीं होता. तुम पे क्या जच रहा है वो बात होती है.
And bridal sari versus bridal lehenga?
I am a lehenga wala, so I prefer lehenga. But saris, there are people who prefer wearing saris. We provide saris to them if they want.
Biggest bridal myth. क्या myth है?
Biggest bridal myth. बहुत भारी लहंगा पहनना है.
That makes them beautiful. You mean to say that is the myth?
Heavily embroidered. It should be a balance. It should suit you. What suits you is the thing. If you are small, tiny, and you wearing big flowers and all that. That overshadows you. You should know.
And one mistake that a lot of brides make, like
during purchasing their lehenga, which you have noticed common है, सब में गलती करते हैं सब.
So what happens is, it is the biggest mistake. देखो, किसी को किसी चीज़ की लाइकिंग होती है ना, उसे एक बार में समझ में आता है. बट और देखने की इतनी चाहत होती है कि वो इतने स्टोर्स देख लेते हैं कि वो भूल ही जाते हैं कि मुझे अच्छा क्या लग रहा था. Confusion, and they get tired. And out of tiredness, sometimes they take, अब यार ये ले लो, अब मेरे पास टाइम ही इतना है.
right. See limited and choose the best. Yeah.
Limited, you should.
Which there will be always a better one.
The girls already do lot of R&D. Agree? They have full list of stores. List of stores which they're gonna visit. But I don't know why. और देखना है. देखो भाई, देखो.
Okay, one thing that any bride should never compromise on, whether पैसे के अलावा मतलब क्या है जो एक लहंगे में compromise नहीं होना चाहिए. Is it the fabric? Is it the embroidery? Is it the color? What is it?
See, we just talked about it. लोग कहते हैं लहंगा हल्का है, मगर जज तो वही रहा है ना, या लहंगा भारी है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है मेरे लिए. अरे तुम पे तो जच रहा है ना. इट इज़ योर डी डे, एंड वी कैन सजेस्ट यू आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस ओनली. देखो, पैसे आप चाहे लाख दो, चाहे 2 लाख दो, वो चीज़ जचे ना, मैं तो दे दूंगी आपको, बिकॉज वो आपकी चॉइस है. बट हम सिर्फ आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस बताते हैं, क्योंकि हम जब शादी में भी जाते हैं ना, तो उसी नज़रों से देखते हैं कि यार लड़की कैसी लग रही है लहंगे में. हम ये नहीं देखते सिर्फ लहंगा.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So this concludes us for this episode.
Perfect.
अब समझ में आ गया ना, ये जो प्रियंका जी, the superwoman you see, she is actually the person to go to, because लहंगा वो आपकी personality, आपकी dreams, और apart from that other suggestions भी कि accessory कैसे लो, jewelry कैसी पहनो, सब समझा देंगी आपको. So she is somebody you should not miss out if you go to Chandni Chowk for a bridal lehenga. That's all I can conclude with.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, guys. You were absolutely wonderful. और तुम लोगों ने मुझसे ऐसी ऐसी बातें पूछ ली है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, oh God, is such an emotional thing.
Yes, it is. It is.
But no, thank you so much for taking out time and coming to our episode. We are really honored. And all the brides and would-be brides or bridesmaids, I can agree to that feeling. But whoever is looking for bridal lehenga, and do visit her store. And I hope this conversation gave you a real insight into the mind of a bride, right? I mean, there are 10,000 things they are thinking. So how do you choose? What do you choose? Don't go by the trends. Just see what suits you. And that is what the expert says here, right? So choose what you look good at, and then lehenga becomes second and you become first, right? So that's how it works. But thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you.